All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So one of the last pieces to the bike, minus the heated hand grips, we are installing the SW Motec Evo fog lights. As you can see, Connor's doing some of the wire tuck stuff, which he's done on all the bikes for the all the LED underglow lighting. He likes to do all the wire tuck stuff. So with that being said, the Evo, they have two models. They have the Evo fog lights, and then they have the Evo high beams. And I talked to Shane, my SW Motec guy up there, and he said the Evo lights are going to be perfect for what I'm doing. The high beams, he said, are just, literally high beams. So let me show you what we got going on, and then show you the routes and the direction that we're going with. And then obviously, if you're interested in the same products, we'll have a link down in the description as well. Okay, so starting off, one of the things that sucks is, I have the whole entire fairing piece engine guard protector on, and you have to have the Transalp here plastic piece removed. And then what Connor and I came up with was we're gonna mount the SW Motec Evo fog lights like this, upside down, with the lights still on the top side shining at us.
So pretty much, so obviously if you look on the back of the light, which I don't know where the other one is.
Yeah, it's in the package, so you're good.
So basically you can mount the light in any direction. There's a little hex nut, slides off, you rotate it. But also when mounting this, we tried a bunch of different ones, and if you look, it actually fits, the mount fits upside down perfectly in between the two
Yes,
bolts.
so where the crash bar comes here, we have it mounted over here, and then there is 3 different rubber inserts there's 4 different rubber inserts, and we went with the, I think it was literally the middle
second
ground.
to largest.
Yeah, we went with the second to largest, and as you can see here, we don't have it cut all the way tight, but here it's as tight as it goes, and then this can swivel left or right, however you want it to go. We're gonna get it all tightened up as we go, but we have the switch mounted up here on the handlebar. Now, if you don't have the bark busters, you could probably cheat this a lot closer to the mirror section here. And if you come down here, follow it all the way down, we have the wire ran down here along the front forks, and then the relay and the fuse for the relay. No, it's fine. And then the fuse for the relay runs right along this tube here for the frame. And then, as you can see back here, this is where our positive and negative is going to go for that. So let's finish getting, we're going to finish getting that side's pretty much done. So we can go ahead and finish mounting up this side of the fairing plastics and the fairing guard itself.
So pretty much for this install, just to save y'all some time, you really only have to take off the
one side.
The left side,
yeah.
If you're
clutch side,
bike,
yeah, clutch side.
Clutch side, you only have to take off the clutch side. You don't have to take off both. It'll just save you a lot of time because this stuff is a pain in the butt sometimes.
Yeah, so just that side, because literally you can mount the other fog light up and then cinch the other one in. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this plastic back up, put this bar back on, and then we'll get one step closer to getting the fog lights fired up. Obviously, off camera, we already fired them up. They're pretty bright. And then now it's just getting the wire tuck done and getting everything mounted in the hardware where we want it. All right, so I just want to kind of give you a demonstration of the mock-up. Obviously, the zip ties haven't been cut yet. Everything has been tucked up under the crash bar. The lighting's bad. There we go. It's been ran up under the crash bar, and all the access wire is being tucked in right there along the tube frame. And then if you come over here to the top side, you have a splicer. This green wire is gonna go into this white wire, which is part of the relay, and we have it grounded. Go ahead and turn the bike on. And then this light, go ahead and hit it. When the fog lights are illuminated, they're on. And then, like I said, this is just roughly how we have the fog lights set up. We haven't adjusted them or anything. So they're pretty bright. So they are definitely gonna make a difference on the road. and in the wood. So we're gonna finish wrapping everything up and get everything done. I would probably set aside 2.5 hours or more to get this done. Like I said, this plastic piece over here definitely had to come off.
Did not.
I don't think this fairing piece crash guard did not have to come off because this one gets wired in to the other side. So definitely have to take off the clutch side. This side you do not. So we're gonna finish getting everything buttoned up and then set the fog lights how we want them. All right, so here is the finished product. We got everything buttoned up, zipped up. All the zip ties are clipped. Crash bars are back on. This plastic piece on the fairing is on. And once it gets later on tonight, I'll give you guys an output demonstration. And I've got these tightened, but they may not be in the position that I want them in. I'm gonna park the bike up against the garage and let the fog light shine and do that. So I'm very excited and happy to see what these SW Motec fog lights are gonna look like at nighttime. Now all we gotta do is wait for the heated hand grips, and we're ready to go on our first off-road camping adventure. Let's go. All right, so it's dark out. We've got the fog lights obviously mounted. So here's what the fog lights look like now. Look how much brighter that is. And I'm still kind of tweaking and adjusting where I want them to go, but I mean, look at this. All right, so no fog lights. Look how dark it gets. Fog lights off, and then here is that's with the high beam on the Transalp, and then here's the fog lights on with the high beam on as well. So as you can see, the throw is pretty far. Like I said, they are a little more on the expensive end as far as the fog lights go, but I definitely think for off-road adventure riding at night, these are going to be the ticket. So let me show you again. No bright, turn them off. Just kind of give you guys a visual. That looks like nothing. That's the bright light. Watch this. Oh, I love it. Freaking amazing. I should be able to end the video like this. Okay, that is going to do it for today's video. If you're interested in the SW Motec fog lights, they also have a high beam that's even brighter, but after talking to the rep, the Evo fog lights are going to get the job done. But if you're interested in these, I'll have a link down in the description as well. And the next video hopefully should be our first long distance road trip. I think we're gonna go to Biloxi, Mississippi. But if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Oh, make sure you join the Honda Transalp, my Honda Transalp Facebook group. Link will be down in the description. Peace.